Welcome, first ever Let's Play. It's pretty exciting. Are you excited, Judith?
Yeah, man.
It's my first ever Let's Play. I'm eating a cookie Oreo. Chocolate covered Oreos. They're my new jam. I'm going to be playing a game called Granny. And,
Yes, I've heard of this game.
Have you played this game? Have you seen this? Have you heard this?
Who are you talking to?
No.
Dude, we're doing a let's play.
I'm doing a Let's Play.
Oh, let's do it.
Shout out to Judah.
Play.
Just like to dedicate the
Hit
video
me
to
up,
Judah and Amy.
XX, no spaces, Instagram.
No one cares
My
about your
Snapchat. My Snapchat.
No one cares about your Instagram or your Snapchat.
Apple
No one cares about your life.
Draven.
We're not going to let this Let's Play be hijacked by new Instagram accounts. This is about playing scary games on iOS.
Stop!
Did you? Yeah. What, Granny?
Yeah.
Oi, Granny's scary.
In Play School? Well, they shouldn't be playing in Play School, that's bad.
Play
Play Store.
Oh.
Oh, what's that?
Not Play Store.
It's Samsung.
It's an app.
Oh, Play Store. Play School, I'm like, jeez, no kids should be playing this game. Or is it? Oh, it's open.
It's open.
We're ready. It's exciting, we're ready to go.
We just
So unfortunately,
Dramatic. We're being dramatic.
Damn.
so I'm gonna just do the exact same thing. Here we go. Get out of there. You only have 5 days. All you need is in the house. And be quiet. She hears everything, and Granny is crazy. Good luck.
That's a
Can you
great story.
pass me mum's water?
It's a good backstory, eh? It builds up tension and it kind of makes you feel like you're a part of the universe.
Should I make some lemonade?
Day one. Yes, please make some lemonade.
How do I make lemonade?
You put 1 whole lemon in it and maybe 3 teaspoons of sugar.
Okay.
3 teaspoons.
Alright, so I'm not going to pick up the vase and drop it this time. This time I'm going to hold the vase and I'm going to walk around until I find Granny. Because we tried the dropping and I wasn't a fan of it. Although it kind of let us know where she was, maybe we should do it again. I'm going to do it again.
Flip the neck.
Is this Granny's?
Get in it, bro.
Get flip in it.
Is this Granny's?
Oh, that's too... Okay, so we did this the first time, we found out where she was and we were following around the house for a bit, which was good. There's Granny. Holy crap, she's got... I love her eyes. Really brings out the colour in the dress. Well, there she is. Okay, so we know where she is. She's walking downstairs, which is good, because it's good to know.
No, she's not walking
Oh,
downstairs.
she's not walking downstairs.
No, she's going into the next room, bro.
Oh, bro, she's going to the next room.
How about you go downstairs?
How about I go downstairs? Alright, so I'm going to pick up the vase, because that's always good to have a weapon. Oh, crap. Did she see me? Did she see me? Oh, I dropped the flipping lemon! I'm just like making myself known in the house. I'm here. I'm not going to be... Holy... Could I make any more noise? Is the question. Is she... Alright, I'm going up. I'm just making so much noise. Like, I couldn't make any more noise if I tried. I pretty much made every single noise I could around the house.
Well, I'm pretty sure you only make those noises once.
What? Granny, come on, man. You can't be going around saying creepy stuff like that. Ugh.
Is you Granny?
Yeah, I don't know where she is though. Like, she doesn't follow us, I don't think. Alright, I think I need to go up and find her.
And you get in your wash away.
Yeah.
Because I've had that few.
You should go in the basement.
Ooh, flip. Flip. Get in the fucking bed! Okay, so we're under the bed again. I'm making lots of noises, but she doesn't seem to be following me, so it makes me worried. Oh, I hear her laughing. Maybe we should just go hit her with a vase. See if my vase does anything to her. Granny! Ah! Get under the bed! Does that mean I'm dead? Did you die? Did you die? Day 2, why am I still alive?
It's not like good Granny.
Maybe Granny's just misunderstood. Maybe she's actually a really nice person. I have to leave this house. Holy butts. Alright, so we're back in the cupboard. We're not making any noises, so that's cool. Alright, let's the door didn't open. I'm not even not even in the. Yeah.
You gotta make. Wait. Oh, do you have to make the noise to get out?
No, she's coming up the stairs. She's in the living room. Oh gosh, she's right out.
Can she open that?
Where are you? I'm not going to tell you where I am because that would be stupid. I'm going to ignore what you say, and I'm going to do my own thing. Okay, get back. Alright, I'm gonna go now. Now I'm making lots of noise apparently because I'm limping, so I'm just going to walk a little bit slower than usual. I'm not going to pick up the vase, I'm going to stay well away from the vase. I'm going to go see what's in here. I have to get out of the house apparently, so I don't know how I'm going to do that. Let's not. What?
Run, bro. Run.
I don't think I want to run because. Oh, no, there she was. I think I saw her walk around that room. So I should go out that way then. Go out that way.
Probably in Daniel's thing, you'll probably be like, and then.
I don't want to play hide and seek with you. Oh man,
Where is she?
I don't really want to know actually.
Scary when we're in him.
What the hell was that?
Yes. Oh, you guys.
Yes, let's watch the Good Scary movie when we're in
Yeah.
heaven. Ah! Get out of bed! No, I don't want to be under the bed. The bed's a bad place to be because she's going to do the thing again.
She doesn't know.
Shouldn't see me. Shouldn't see
doesn't
me.
know.
I'm okay.
Wait.
What did she take quick? She's
took-
moving house.
She
Like,
is.
She's moving house.
She's just the grandma.
Alright.
No, she's
I would
the grandma.
love to help you move the house, but you're kind of creeping me out a little bit with the whole scaring me under the bed deal. She's dropping traps. She's trying to trap me. She's an animal. She's vicious.
Maybe she's just like blind and she thinks you're an animal.
Maybe
And she's just trying to protect herself.
She thinks I'm a bear.
Yeah.
'Cause that's a bear trap.
That is a big trap.
Alright, so don't walk that way because that's gonna like trap my foot. Okay, I have to see where she is though.
Put your uniform inside your bag, darling.
She's gonna come out there soon, so I'm gonna.
Get your hoodie out so you can get
Holy crap.
I
I'm gonna keep him back under the bed for a little bit.
You're gonna get something warm.
That flash is out there is really annoying. And I'm wondering what it is.
It's just a light.
Okay. Alright, I think she's gonna be somewhere around here. Probably going down the stairs. How do we get outside the house? There must be like.
Oh, sure.
I think you go at the door, bro.
Okay, cool. She's gone. Ah! Run! Oh no! I'm so scared.
she's got you. She's got you.
I'm dead.
Yeah, ads. We love ads. These are our sponsors.
Hey guys, buy Mission 12. It's one of the best sniper 3D assassin games in the business. I mean, look at them graphics. Could you get better graphics? Look at that gameplay. Could you get? Look at them slow-mos.
That shit looks pretty good.
Guys, get 3D Sniper Assassin now. It's on all consoles,
She can watch it.
iOS,
Not here.
Play,
D.
Google
D.
Play. That's a D, bro.
It's a D.
Well done. Is it day 3?
Yo guys, my lemonade's
Or we're
lit.
back to day 1?
It's blue.
Lit.
Okay. Oh, Abby.
Thank you, Abby.
Cheers, Granny.
Homemade lemonade.
Stanley, holy.
Vitamin C.
Holy Stanley.
I love. Oh, that's good.
That's good. That's so
It's
good.
really good lemonade. All right.
So sour.
Smells disgusting.
Granny. I'm gonna help you move now, because I'm pretty keen to get you out of the house.
Shotgun. He went to the basement.
Oh god! Leave me alone, Granny. Alright, gotta
it's
go.
okay.
Back upstairs. Under the bed. 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 Get out of the freaking bed!
No, you did. You did.
So how do we do this without dying? Okay, so the objective is to get out of the house. Let's see if we can do that.
What did she play?
Let's play hide and seek.
The,
I don't want to play hide and seek with you, Granny. I want to do some moving. I want to move you out to a retirement home because you're obviously way past it.
Look, she's just beating up the house now.
Alright, I'm
go
going this
to,
way. Alright, we're gonna go around.
What was I gonna say? Oh, mom.
She
Oh,
said down
jeez.
traps for you, man.
you're making
Oh,
so
my
much
G.
noise.
My G. I'm making lots of noise.
Yeah, I'm gonna touch it.
Oh. Ah!
How did she find us?
How did
One thing I will say about Granny, she's not stupid. She may be old.
She ain't stupid.
She is
But-
stupid. I have to leave this house.
Don't underestimate
She-
Granny.
It's got the crossbow in the basement, I
Alright,
think.
Abby,
I think
come in,
so.
Gabriel.
Can you find the
Let me
key?
get in the room. What is?
Yeah, probably.
Wait, shh, shh. She's coming. She's coming.
Yeah. That go to the bed.
Here she comes. Come in, Granny. Come get me.
She just unlocked the door.
I hate lemonade. Well, homemade lemonade, because it's got lemon in it. I hate lemon.
What are you doing, man?
Making noise.
I'm trying to make some noise. It's not working.
How dare he?
Guys, give me a watch.
It's not working.
Andre Mum's.
Okay, so let's see what I can do. What do we got? Ooh. Nothing. Nothing. Leave this house. That's what I'm trying to do. Oh gosh. Granny, 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 stay, Granny.
Can't come. I think you should try and leave again.
No, she's setting traps. Granny's vicious.
Granny.
Granny is savage. Not really. No, not at all. Okay. What do we got?
Flip an egg. And you don't have the vase, so you can't.
Can't make any noises.
Oh, yeah, that is.
How do we get out? Well, that's annoying. How do we get out? Leave a comment below if you know how to get out and tell us how to get out. Also, smash that like button. If this video can get 50,000 likes,
Are you gonna be?
I will
Shave
marry
your
Granny.
Come.
She's coming in, she's coming in.
Dude, you didn't get into the closet.
Oh, I'm putting in in the flipping closet. Oh, jeez.
Dude, you come on!
I'm really bad at this game, I'm telling you.
What does it say on the
says
table?
there's something on the table.
Was it?
Yeah, look, it says something.
5 days.
Oh,
5 days.
No, it's pretty
useless.
pretty useless. Oh gosh.
Did Granny just try to open it?
Oh,
Thank you, Granny. Oh, and thank God I made it to the
patience is key. Flip an egg!
It was close.
Okay, she didn't find it. Is she blind? Because look at her eyes.
No, her eyes see into my soul.
Oh, okay.
Alright, here we go.
Go
Go downstairs, go downstairs. Be careful of the things, be careful of the
Wait, you drive.
No!
Holy crap.
No, I did not just do that.
You're gonna die. No.
How do where do I hide here? Is there somewhere to hide?
Yeah.
Oh gosh, I'm so screwed.
Screwed his
There's a cupboard, there's a cupboard, there's a cupboard. That's not a flipping cupboard I can hide in!
That was scary.
Alright, there's a cupboard there, so I just need to hide into that cupboard.
Oh, yeah, that's my
Watch
lemon.
out.
Ah! Come on!
She said.
It was scary.
It's like going into rooms and stuff.
You can hear her.
She's going in the basement.
Still can if you want to.
There's a booby trap. See?
Flip an egg.
It's because there's a booby trap. How?
There she is.
Look at
She is. Go upstairs, go upstairs. Good girl. Good girl. That's the way.
Good, creepy.
That's the one. One egg. Na 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 na.
Alright, so the basement's just around the corner. That's where I'm going to go next.
What do you like?
Down here.
I know what Levi likes.
Ew.
Basement.
Ew, there's a blood stain.
Where can I hide in here? That's the question, because I just need it.
Oh, damn,
Yeah,
you're limping.
I can do last card.
Oh, hell, there's a
Go
basement in a basement.
Oh, okay. Alright. This is good. This is progress. Is that a door? I'm
Right,
hide
so
it
two
straight
pick
away,
up
just in
two,
case Granny is
5 pick
behind me.
up 5.
Alright, so this is the furthest we've got so far in Granny. We're doing well, making progress. We just need to see if we can get further.
I do know there's a secret tunnel in the kitchen that leads straight down to the basement. So there's a
I think this
there's
is
a
it.
little tip.
Pick
This
up.
is it.
This is the
Well,
tunnel.
Ace change seat.
How are you scared?
Got it, eh?
Alright, so
No,
we've
that
got
leads to the
car here.
garage.
What do we got? We got some.
Yeah, it's got it.
Doesn't.
Oh gosh.
Look, there's stuff in it.
It's like that.
There's part 1. Thanks for watching, guys. Smash us a like if you want to watch another video. Leave us a comment if you enjoyed watching this video. If you want us to make more. If we don't get 10 likes in the next 3 weeks, we'll be like, no, screw you guys. We ain't making no more videos. We ain't wasting no more time on you slobs. Hey, it's the first Let's Play.
Gameplay.
Let's play.
Let's play.
So I hope you enjoyed. Hope you watched. I need to do a thing.
Have a great afternoon, or night, or morning.
D-man.
D-man.